Louis Vuitton Saint Jacques restoration, before and after.
Give it to me like.
After fully restored, she's back to her beautiful shape and Louis Vuitton Saint Jacques.
See how she teasing Diabla. Nah, it don't matter, let me habla. Mommy got me pushing up.